The question is, how do I insert a hyperlink in a Gmail or Google Workspace email message? Let me show you how to do this. Hit compose to create a new message. I want to send this to my business account. I'm going to call it testing hyperlinks and URLs. And now, how do we do this? Well, first of all, you write your email message. What are you going to write? You write your email message, and then you say, go see the video here. Now, I got to put a URL there. Now, I could go to YouTube. Let me go to YouTube. I'm going to stop the video. I'm going to go to share. I'm going to copy the URL. Now, I got that URL. Let me go back to my email, and I can just put the URL right like that. Now, when I hit enter, notice it does not make it a hyperlink, but that's all good. Don't worry about it. Drop the URL in there as long as it's a www or an HTTP or an HTTPS and it's appropriately formatted. It'll work just fine. Or I can say, go see the video and put the word here. And then I can make it bold and I can hit Control K and I can paste the URL and hit OK. And what I just did was put that URL on the word, which makes it a hyperlink. Now, those are the two primary ways to insert a URL into an email message using either Gmail or Google Workspace. Remember what I talked about here? It's not a hyperlink. That's okay. Watch this. Hit send. Now I'm going to go look at my sent items. I'm going to bring up that email. Look, YouTube made it a hyperlink just like this. It already made it a hyperlink for me. I didn't need to do it. All I need to do is put the URL in there. Two ideas for inserting URLs into a Gmail or Google Workspace email message. Hey, I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail dude. I hope this is helpful for you.